Hello and welcome to this course. I'm really glad you enrolled and I hope you're excited about learning about cloud computing. I've structured this course so it's suitable for anyone who's new to cloud computing. You don't need a background in cloud or AWS to use this course. And the way I've structured it is so that we start right at the basics, looking at some of the foundations of the cloud before moving on to more complex subjects. So it's a great way to get into cloud computing and really learn about what it is, what its advantages are, and then look at actually building some services on AWS. You'll get lots of practical expertise from this course. So let's have a look at how the course is actually structured. So in the beginning, you're going to learn about the building blocks of cloud computing, such as compute, storage, networking, databases, virtualization, containerization, and APIs. We'll then move on to learning all about what cloud computing is, how it's advantageous to traditional IT service models, and what are the service models and delivery models for cloud computing. I'll then teach you about cloud architecture. There's some fairly complex subjects here, but I'm going to try and make it simple for you to understand. We'll look at scalability and elasticity, high availability and fault tolerance, containers and microservices and event-driven architectures. Then we start actually working hands-on with AWS. You'll launch your free tier account and we'll get started right at the basics with learning about the foundational architecture of AWS itself. We'll then move on to learning about the core services on AWS, including Amazon EC2, storage services, databases such as DynamoDB and RDS, and then we'll look at how you can actually use automation to automatically deploy infrastructure using code in a template. We then move on to looking at DevOps on AWS. So this is a big subject in today's world, and you'll learn about how to actually automate a code pipeline on AWS, and I'll show you everything about how to do it. We'll look at content delivery and DNS services, containers and serverless applications, and loose coupling and event-driven architectures. So there's absolutely loads to do in this course, and by the end of it, you're going to have a really great skill set so that you can actually work with these services yourself. So I hope you're excited to continue, and I'll see you in the next lesson.